Hi guys, welcome to my new vlog. So today I'm doing this Trexity. So it's 7:48. I started at 12 p.m. approximately, and first order I accepted at 1 p.m. and then after now I'm in Oakville right now. So I just delivered my last order. So today I make $89. Plus I got tips because I was delivering cigars and beers. So total in tips I got around $70. So now one customer was not available. So I'm going to that customer's house to I'm going to the retailer's shop, the same shop where I picked the order. I'm going to the same shop right now so that I can return the item there. So one customer was not available, so I have to return their beers. These all beers of a same customer. So I'm going to return them because the customer was not available at his house. So in case this happens, you need to go to the same merchant and you need to return their items. So I am doing the same right now. I have to return all this. So I will meet you after returning this to the Mill Street store. So right now I have returned the items. As you can see there, today I made $89 and $70 I made in tip. So today I made around 89 plus 70, around $160. So if you work in downtown Toronto, so your expected earnings will be between 100 to 160. So it matters on how much tip you get basically. Usually I get tips for $10 to $15 a day, but today due to beers order and cigar order, I got more tips, and this company also paid me more, $26, just to return the item because a customer was not at home in Oakville. So I have to travel from Oakville to downtown again to return this item. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and make sure you hit the bell icon. So I will see you in next vlog. In the coming vlog I am going to Mexico, so I will meet you in Mexico in Cancun. So I hope you are enjoying your day. Take care. I will see you in next vlog and in a new country. Bye.